Hi guys. We are walking around it's around 9:30 in the morning, summer in Geneva. It's very hot. Imagine later. So this is the neighborhood. So peaceful. But it's very hot today. But I'm not complaining, but it's hot. Yeah. So you can hear the birds chirping, the greeneries around.